European parliamentarians, officials, and IT experts have warned that the social media users in India are using the digital information for political and ideological propaganda. The warning was given by the experts during a session titled Taking Stock of India Information Manipulation Ecosystem and organized in collaboration with diaspora-led think tank Stitching the London Story, was attended by members of the European Parliament, the European Commission, and experts from the UK Home Office and others. Margareta Grigorova, a member of the European Parliament's Special Committee on the External Investigation into all democratic processes in the European Union, said that while Digital India is planning to bring more Indian citizens online, first of all, internet users are easy to become victims of political and clever lies. We need to take into account the implication they have on how the world's largest democracy should go digital. The speakers at the event included Facebook whistleblower Sophie Zhang, Story London chief data analyst Syakat Chatterjee, senior communicator at Boom Archis Chowdhury, clinical researcher Vignesh Karthik, and public policy expert Vyang Jumle. The speakers expressed concern about the future trends in the Indian information manipulation ecosystem. Syakat Chatterjee maintained that as the European Union seeks to work more closely with India, we are investigating the potential of India's information ecosystem to spread disinformation and hate speech and its impact on democracy around the world.